Hello. Hey, hi. Good evening.
Hello, sir. Good
Good morning.
evening. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Sound తగ్గించావా? You're able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. What is the meaning of nested loop?
Loop inside a loop.
Loop
Inside another loop.
inside a loop. Uh, can you please tell me any specific requirement? Okay. You know the tables, right? For example, how it will be look like
Hmm.
1, 2 is equal to 2, 2, sure, 4, like that. If you want to print a table, how you will write? You understood my question, right?
Hmm. Yeah. So one number should be
You,
constant and
you will
another
try.
must be
First you will
increment.
try. First you will try.
Uh,
If it is
okay.
a nested loop and nested loop also, the only available things are these only. If else, if else, for while, transfer, break, continue. Transfer, transfer statements, break, continue, pass. These are the things you'll have. Whatever you're going to use, just with a combination on with the logical implementation of it. And so what I'm expecting from you, try to find a way and don't try to develop and don't try to implement in a single instance. You know, take a time, and develop step by step process. How you will do? How you will do? Uh, are you able to? Are you open your Jupyter notebooks or not?
Yes, sir.
You will try. You're trying. You're trying or not?
Yes, sir. Trying.
Time and say like
Yes.
I'm not expecting you to print the exact thing. Here the multiplication one thing is need to be happened, and one number should be increasing continuously, and another number should be multiplied with 2 only, and the result is like that. And how it will be?
So can you repeat one more time, like what we have to do? I just did something, so I'm not sure about the Like what
So you
result
need
we
to
are getting.
you know the tables, right? One ones
Hmm.
are
Yes.
1, 1 twos are 2,
Mm-hmm.
1 threes are 3, like that. You need
Hmm.
to produce the table,
Hmm.
two table from 1 to 10.
Okay. No, so we have to do 1 times 2, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2. Like that?
1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, 4
Okay,
times 2
like
is 8.
second number should be 2 and from starting point it should be 1 to 10.
Yes, right.
Okay, got it. Thank
Okay, if you're not able to do exactly the same thing, but try to replicate the I mean, say like how what I'm expecting. Try to replicate the instinct what you're facing, what you have. You're doing? You're trying or not?
Yes, I tried, so I got only the answers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Okay, something is better than nothing.
Yeah, that's I'm like thinking how I can improve that, so it's taking time.
Okay, no problem. You can think. And meanwhile, At least remaining people can able to perform the multiplication operation up to 10 at least. Hello? Hello?
Sir, we are doing.
So I got the table, like how we write the table, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 equal to 4. I got
Hmm.
that output.
Okay, up to 10.
Yes, up to 10.
Okay. Okay. And now, you can try another one. I'll tell another program. You can try for that.
Hmm.
Okay. You know the okay. It will be little difficult for you. Okay, I don't want to give. mm,
Sir, I too got it, sir.
okay.
But
And
mm,
yes, sir.
but I didn't get that full. I just got that used for 2 for loops.
Okay.
I just did the output is coming. I didn't get the full 2 into 4 like that. I didn't get it.
Okay. Right. I want to know, and I want the people who completed this particular specific thing. I want you to print 1 to 10 up to 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You need to print 10 times.
Like in one group, 1 to 10 should be there. Then below
Yes,
this, 1 to 10 again.
yes.
Okay.
And that number of rows is my choice. That is completely dynamic one.
What number of rows?
The number of rows,
Hmm.
the number is in my hand. For example, if I want to print up to 11, 11 rows, if I given 11, it need to come to 11 rows. If I given 5, I need to get
Okay.
5 rows like that.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, that's another
What,
choice.
sir? The number is your choice means if you enter 5, it should print 10, 1 to 10, 5 times. Is
Yes,
that-
right. Yes, right. Absolutely. You can ping your code, the people who are completed.
Hmm. And
Who's this? Nirupa. Okay, right. Uh, why it is printing 2 times?
what, sir? Um,
2 times. It's
oh,
not
yeah, why it
it's
is
not
printing?
it's
Yeah,
not imposition, Nirupa.
yeah,
It's
yeah,
just
yeah,
a question.
yeah.
You don't need to write
Yeah,
2
I
times,
just now
3
saw.
times.
So why it is printing 2 times, sir? What should I do to
Check,
So
check.
I just
Prak,
did it.
Prak,
Yeah, I did it only with one for loop. We have to do it for 2.
No. It's completely your wish. How you will do it, that's completely your choice.
Okay,
Mm.
I just try to paste in chat.
Okay.
Nikita, what about you? You struggling a lot? Nowadays, Taru is not in our classes.
Sir,
She's
I am
not
here.
responding and she's
I am
busy
here. I am
completely.
here. No. I was just doing it. I'm here.
You're observing Nirupa and Prakshi.
No, sir. Seriously saying, I was
So
just
is it right
looking at
for me,
examples in
mine?
this.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
It's right.
Okay.
Okay, if you the only just I'll
I-
1 second, guys. Oh, is it completed? Each and everyone understood what's happening at here? What is the table you want to create? You're giving that number randomly. Up to how much you need to calculate that where you're giving it here. If you want to give 20, you can just simply change this and you can directly give. It's not a deal. Okay, but here it's just a simple thing. Taking two variables, we're taking two variables and arranging in a specific format which it need to be looking for our fulfilling our requirement. Okay,
So what
Nirupa,
do
you
you
understood?
in this
I
print?
understood, sir. It's very simple, actually, what you wrote.
Yes.
Sir,
Not
why?
what I wrote.
uh,
Prakshi wrote.
Oh, wow. Yeah, very nice. Sir, why my loop is, I'm trying to debug that in that other thing which you gave.
Which one?
Uh, You gave an
1
editor
to
kind
10,
of thing.
1 to 10, right?
Yes, I'm just looking that why it is, no, how to make it
No,
stop.
problem. Time. I would say like yours isn't completely an infinite loop or something else.
No, after printing 20, I don't want that to again do next time. I just want the thing to stop there. I just want it to print like 2 to 10. That's it.
Okay.
It's doing 2 times, right, sir? The code is printing 2 table 2 times.
Yes.
So
Where you need to do the change.
I have to break the loop after doing that. That's what I'm seeing now.
Okay, you can try to modify it in whichever way you will feel comfortable. And another thing is, you
Okay.
know, right? So just I'm showing the another pattern.
Oh, these patterns, it is really, that's why I asked you for the nested loops in the first place, sir.
Nested loops are not came from the sky. The only thing is, by doing and by doing simple things and by doing all those things, you will develop that particular logical intuitions. Prakshu try to create this particular pattern. It is called right angle triangle.
Oh,
But in the print statement, what have you written, like star and
No. This is my result. What I'm looking for. This is the result. What I'm looking for. Okay. This is the result. What I'm looking for. You need to write a program to fulfill this particular requirement. After completion of, I'll tell. That is.
So can you try mine? I have some. Okay. Now I got it. After printing.
Now Tejinder came into alive.
After sending it to you, I got what I did it.
Now I'll see what is the.
So I have one question apart
Yes.
from this. Sometimes like when I am doing in Jupyter Notebook, so suddenly it stopped working and that,
And you were able to see the star mark, star
yes,
symbol,
yes,
and you were able to see the full filled circle at the right
yes,
side of the
black,
top corner.
yes.
That is an infinite loop, and you are, for example, I'll show you. I'm executing this program, right? I'm not
Hmm,
giving any input. Okay.
hmm,
And after that, I'm removing this particular entire program and I'm moving to another one. For example, just you can see Control X, Control V, and I'll execute it. Okay. You're not
hmm,
able to see anything. It
yes,
doesn't give any result.
hmm,
Plus 3. It doesn't give any result. Okay. It
yes.
means you called a compiler and you didn't given the input.
Okay.
Okay.
So for
At that time,
resolving
what is
this,
happening? It will wait for the input.
okay.
Maybe physically it is not available, but in the thread, it is
Hmm,
waiting for the input. At
input.
that time, what you need to know? You need to only go to the kernel and interrupt it.
Okay.
Then you will execute. You need to
Yeah,
free
it,
and you need to cancel and crash all those programs.
yes, it happens like many times with me. So
Regularly,
I
will
have
happen.
to exit the Jupyter notebook and I have to come
You
again.
no need to exit it. Okay. I told to. Niruba, I hope I told to you guys.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
you
yes,
told
sir.
that
Last week.
interrupt thing, but I was not able to connect these two things.
Okay, right.
Yeah, thank you.
You missed that point.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. And can you please try for this? Ah, yes, coming to Taru. What you did?
So, yeah, so now I got it. Yeah, I am
Okay.
starting range from 12 to 11.
Okay. You're just multiplying and you're printing only one thing.
Only one thing, yeah.
If I
Yeah,
ask 10 table, you will go only 10,
one
10
time.
tens are 100. If I ask 11th table, 11 tens are 110. Only the end result only you will give.
Yeah, I got it, sir. So
Nirupa
I
will
have
give
to
the
start
remaining
it.
9 results.
Hmm. So, sir, for I in range, there I have to correct it, right? It should not be
Try. I
none
mean
to
to say like,
11.
you
Hmm.
have the compiler, how it is executing. You have the
Hmm.
compiling, Visual Python code you have.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
You know or don't know? You know or don't know, Taru? You missed the class, previous classes?
I missed, sir, one or two. No, this one yeah, I saw.
This one you guys know, right?
Yeah, yeah. Python 2. Okay.
And paste it here and see the execution and try to make the changes. If you do it by yourself with a lot of efforts, then only you'll understood.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
how to make this loop not to go into this nested loop after its work is
Try. The only thing is what type of experiments you will do, Nirupa. Either in the indentation, right? It doesn't do anything. Just you need to change the indentation and you need to change the variables. For example, just you say for I in range 1 to 11. For j in range 1 to 11. Print I j. This is a string. You need to remember what we are doing. This is the print statement what we are using.
yeah.
Okay. Here you need to use the comma separator.
Wow.
What we're doing it here? One table, two table, three
10
table, four
table.
table.
Till 10 we are getting.
Wow.
So we are not taking any input because of that.
Okay, if you want to take an input,
Mm-hmm.
then what you will do? You will take two variables at here and you will pass two variables to this particular place. That is sufficient, right? Okay, this is the way. I mean, say like from here onwards, I need to make the changes where I want to see. Here, what I need to do? I want to create only
One table.
second table. For example, just you can think.
So what is this two and
This is starting and this is end point. So that is the range. In the range function, we will have only two value. Apart from two, nothing is there. You
okay.
already got
I
to, you
will
already
change
know,
that
right?
and I'll do that. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Don't think like that. This is a complex program or something else. Try to divide the problem and try to break the logic. That will give you only the solution. Don't feel like that you need to carry 10 or 15 bricks once a time to the top of the building. Just try to see where you can able to break the logic and you can able to understand. Okay, now try to print the pattern of this one and equilateral triangle. You know, right, how it will be look like?
So in that triangle thing, right triangle, I got the output like in one, it will come one, then one, two, then one, two, three, then one, two, three, four. But it is not coming in that format, like it is not visible like triangle.
You know, because of spacings and all those things, we need to adjust it.
Oh, okay. So I am getting like one, then after that one, two in another rows.
You're getting
Then
as a right angle triangle, but the space also need to consider, right?
okay,
Here,
okay.
how many spaces are there? Based on the spaces and spaces in between the stars, finally at the end of the day, it need to look like as a right angle triangle.
Okay, so in the printing print definition, we have to define that like how about the spaces.
Yes, right.
Okay.
Okay, just try for these two things. For 5 minutes, you can try. You get back.
Yes, I got it, sir. Yes.
Any improvement? Hello?
Yes, sir. So
Yes.
I did
Equilateral
the
triangle or right angle
triangle
triangle?
one. I
That
did
will be
the
right
right.
angle. Yeah, right angle triangle. Yeah.
Okay, who written from the Google and who written by own?
Sir, Google.
So I write on, but I just spacing, I just try to Google. Like,
Okay. You know, the ultimate thing is you are in a position to understand the logic.
Yes, sir.
That is the goal at here. Okay, clear? And for example, here we are creating a table, right? We're creating a table. We're creating all the tables. So
Mm.
this is called, we are using two for loops. This is called nested loop. Not only for loops. If we are using for loop and while loop combination, while whatever it may be, if we are using loop inside to the loop, that is called as a nested loop. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir. But can you?
Give me some examples.
No. Can you tell me how the for the patterns, right, sir? How the nested for loop, how will it enter and how will it work? Can you explain that?
Okay, which pattern you want? Right
The
angle triangle or equilateral triangle?
right angle triangle.
Right angle triangle.
Yeah.
Okay. From top to bottom you want, from bottom to top you want.
What do you mean by that, sir?
you want
Like
right, like ऊपर से नीचे.
Inverted triangle, yeah. Means one at the top and 10 lines in first
You
line.
mean
one star
increment,
and, yeah, incremental.
Yeah, incremental.
incrementing, incremental.
okay. Incrementing right angle triangle. Okay. Right. How you will print the star first thing? Just tell me first that one.
So
How
it
you will
should be in double quotes.
Yeah, in the
how
double.
you will print?
Star in the double
Star
quote.
should be in
print
double
it
quotes.
Star should be in.
Double quotes.
Quotes.
Okay. How you will print stars with an increasing factor? How you will print the stars with an increasing thing? So okay, we don't go too much depth and we don't make it too complex. Okay, just see
Mhm.
for I in range, for example, 10. 1 to 10.
Mm.
Print star. What is the result you will get? These are the 10 stars, right?
10 stars, yeah.
Okay.
Or I get J in.
Till this, even I too did.
I plus 1.
Hmm.
What's happening at here?
It's going like
It is
straight,
printing.
not a pattern.
Okay, how these particular tables are came into the picture in that way?
Mm.
These are came, right? Just see now. How the pattern should be look like? One first need to become. After that,
Two
it
must.
need to greater than some other value. Just see.
There
Here,
should be intersection of rows and columns.
for example, I'm taking an input as one specific number.
So after equal to there is minus sign, right?
Yes, integer That is not our minus sign, Praksha.
Hmm.
Okay, right. N plus, okay, I'll show you. N here, also N. Okay, right. Now the logic is at here. N plus 1, okay, and here N plus 2, and every instance we need to, okay, to decreasing manner, we need to subtract this value. Okay, right. And here I need to include your okay, right. But I'm
Next
considering
line,
this.
print, empty thing.
Okay, right. Now it is, we need to print it in another empty space. Okay, okay, right. This is the rectangle triangle, which is in a from base.
Decrementation.
From base, where is the base for the triangle? This is the base, right?
Yeah.
This is the
yeah.
base.
Yeah.
From base to here, this is an incremental thing. If you want to try to reverse it, how you will do?
उल्टा हो जाएगा n plus 1 minus I.
Sorry? How you will do? How it will do? What is the thing? What is the pattern you're able to see it here?
It's
Is it clear up to now? Why why we return this particular thing? One is for the new line and another one is for the space. Okay, try to do experimentation with this. A little bit of changes, you can able to produce thousands of patterns.
Sir,
Numbers, letters, equilateral triangles, right angle triangles, down to top, bottom to top.
five,
And I'll tell one more thing. You know, for example,
5. Okay.
what will happen? What it is?
Sir, can you explain like what is happening actually in the loop? Like for so if you take you said n is 10, okay.
Okay, if you got it out, right? Now, where is our link?
Sir, I have to go. I will watch the video after
Okay,
this.
no problem.
Thank you, sir.
See this one. So now what's happening? See this one.
Yeah,
You need
first
to
it's
give
asking for
you
the
need to
input.
you need to give the input, right?
Mhm.
You need to give the input. For that, you know what I'm doing. I'm commenting this code and I'm directly giving the value as n is equal to 10. Okay. Now I'm moving to it. See, from n is equal to 10, it is starting. After that, what happened? For I value in I range 1 comma n plus 1. It
So
came into
I will be 1 and
and
n plus 1.
j will be also 1. And then it is coming to here and it is going
Print.
back and printing.
So no. So J is incrementing. What is this one? n plus 2 minus I. What is happening there? Can you tell me, sir?
So here we are taking one value, right? For
So why
example,
did
I is
you,
equal to,
yeah,
yes, I is equal to 1 in the first loop. Here,
okay.
what is the value? 10. A first 1, how many stars it need to be produced? 1, 2, how many stars? N plus 2 means 10 plus 2, 12 minus 1, 11. 11 means how many stars it will give?
10.
So no, how it will be? If it's a right angle triangle, how it need to be print? First 11, after that 10, after that 9, after that 8, after that 7, like that, right? Based on the first value, you need to decrease, come to step by step.
So what you said, so n is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 minus I is 1.
Yes, like that each and every step, this value is going to increase, right? I value. In first instance 1, second instance 2, another instance 3.
Okay,
It will come to decrease.
okay.
Okay, don't worry. I mean, select just go through it and try to change those values. And if you are able to observe it, you can able to easily understand. I see what's happening. Decreasing. See, 3, 2, 1.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Can you post that code in the chat, sir?
Sure. But sir, the only one thing to be familiar and to be comfortable in the program is only practicing and doing many more mistakes.
Yeah.
So in that pyramid one, like
Yeah,
center
pyramid,
one.
how
it-
will you get the spaces in the
So
beginning?
See this one. Edit this code. And okay, I'll go through this particular way. For the, oh, 5 minutes. Okay, see this one. If I'm not giving space at here. You're able to see? At the end, line starting each and every sequence with the, you understand the difference?
This is okay,
There
sir,
you're
but
getting,
for the pyramid, first it have to print spaces, right?
okay, this one, you can try it. You can try,
Okay,
you need to, how many spaces you need to leave. First, try to identify that logic. If you understood that logic, then you'll able to find out what you need to do.
okay,
Okay,
okay. Sir,
just
like,
try for it. If you're not able to do, I mean, select, I'll share. I will discuss.
sir, like you gave this Excel for, I mean, Python, like what is to be
I'll
covered in?
give for each and everyone. I'll give for each and
Yeah,
everyone. Excel and the SQL and Tableau. I'll give for each and
yeah,
everyone.
yeah, that will be easy so that, so,
Okay.
sir, okay, sir.
Something you want to, you're asking?
No, no, nothing, sir.
So I have question for that pyramid. We have to use like two logics for that.
I'm
For
not
the left
okay.
side,
You can use, I mean to select for the left side you need to use, for the right side
hmm,
you need to use. Two
yeah,
logics you need to
okay.
use.
Hmm. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. That's it. Please try it. If you're not able to do, I'll explain it. But you need to at least make it 20 or 30 errors to get a clear understanding of those things.
Hmm.
Okay. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you.
Refer Google, but but try to understand and try to develop your own logic.
Hmm.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.